Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening Audacity and loading your audio. Make a duplicate track immediately so you can compare. Next, change the project rate at the lower left to 22,050 Hz or 11,025 Hz to reduce high-frequency detail. Once done, convert the duplicate track to mono if desired, that halves channels and lowers clarity. Make sure to switch all views to show waveform so you can watch changes in real time. This first step shortens preview time and sets the low-fidelity baseline. Now you'll intentionally trash the fidelity. Start with the equalization or filter curve and roll off everything above about 6K Hz to remove brightness. That creates muffled sound. Next, apply a compressor with a high ratio and fast attack to crush dynamics. This flattens transients and makes the audio sound squashed. Then reduce bit depth or resample. Export or use effect chains that emulate bit reduction and sample rate conversion to introduce aliasing. Make sure to preview between steps. Small changes stack quickly. Finish by adding texture. Generate low-level white noise or vinyl crackle and mix it at around -30 to -18 dB so the result feels degraded without masking speech. Then export using a low sample rate, 8K Hz to 16K Hz, and choose 8-bit or 16-bit PCM for harsher quantization. If you hear excessive clipping or unwanted artifacts, reduce overall gain, undo the last effect, and reapply a gentler EQ. This troubleshooting step preserves the low-quality character.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.